So how do we get all the awesome footage? We have an Insta 360 that we add to our bikes. You can see them here.
A quick recap. We went to Asheville. It had been a while since we've ridden the Blue Ridge Parkway, so we thought, why not? Let's go to Asheville and ride around. More videos to come on our rides and adventures. And we didn't stop there. We checked out downtown Asheville for some great rooftop patios. We invite you to join our tribe. Check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel.